And hello, everyone, and welcome to today's project showcase of the ICSC program. This program provides an integrated experience to our students of the various multiple intelligences along with social and emotional skills to build 21st century skills among our learners. In today's event, our students will provide a glimpse of their activities, learnings, and reflections over the last 2 months. So I know this is the final day where all our collective efforts come together. Some of us may be excited, some of us may be tired, and some of us may be nervous. So I invite each of you, whether you are a student or you are a teacher or a parent, to do a check-in with yourself. Take a deep breath and ask yourself what emotion you are feeling right now. And you may use the chat box to share your emotion with the group. Please click on everyone when you are sharing your emotions. So as we can see from the chat box, all of us have many different emotions that we are experiencing right now. So before we begin our students showcase, let us remind ourselves of a few positive affirmations. First of all, today we will celebrate each one's progress and efforts in this showcase. And hiccups and glitches are a part of it. We might face some technical issues or some delays, and that's okay. And number two, we will create a safe space in this Zoom meeting and communicate with each other. And we'll talk to each other and communicate with respect and love and devote all our attention to this showcase for the next 45 minutes. We are going to give each other a chance to speak, to present, and to share our thoughts. And lastly, we believe in our students and affirm that we will enjoy and have fun in this event. So let's celebrate the progress and let's celebrate this showcase. Shall we all start with a round of applause for each one of us, all the efforts that you all have put into it? Amazing. Let's start with it. So everyone, welcome to the ICSC showcase for class 3 and class 4. We have started this year by exploring the concept of grit, resilience, and goal setting. During this journey, there were a number of times we learned from our students of class 3 and 4. And we would like to take this opportunity to share glimpses of students' work and their journey with all of you. Students, are you all ready?
Yes,
Give me a thumbs up if you are all ready.
Yes, ma'am, we all are ready.
Superb. Now, one important thing, we'll all be on mute and we'll give everyone an equal opportunity to present and share. Super. So I'd like to start that and I'd like to request Arjav that if he'd be able to tell us what is grit according to him. Arjav, can you tell me what is grit according to you? I think Arjav is not here. So I think Arjav would tell us what he has learned in the ICSC sessions, that grit is about continuing towards our goal, even if we face a setback or if there's any issue or challenge, we continue, we keep our resilience and we work towards our goal. From there, we are moving to Aditya. And Aditya, do you think grit is important?
Yes, grit is important because it gives us courage to reach our goal. Sometimes reaching the goal comes difficult, so having grit gives us courage. Friends for helping, not just grit, for humor, personality, friends for helping, believing in ourselves, and many more is important. But the main is grit. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing the insights, Aditya. This was wonderful. And as per research conducted in the field of grit by Angela Duckworth, setting goals helps us to build our skills of perseverance and grit. Let us ask our young learners about their goals, which they have created using their goal ladders. I'd like to invite Aram and Ananya. And can you both tell us about your goal ladder? Aram and Ananya.
Hi, I am Ananya, and here is my goal ladder. The goal ladder helps us to reach to our goal, and it also helps us when we forget our steps. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing, and it was a wonderful drawing. Ananya, can you unmute yourself so that we know you are here?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. And Aram, do you please unmute yourself so that you are here? You know that. I think we'll wait for Aram, and when he comes, we can see his goal ladder as well. And now we'll move forward. So, mastering each step of your goal is the key to success. Students explore this concept through mastering their dance movements. Om, can you show us all one dance movement that you have mastered?
Yeah. Mama, actually,
That was fabulous. Om. Good job done there. Thank you so much for sharing. We'd like to ask Dhanvi. Dhanvi, is practice important to master something? And is there
Yes.
something that you have been practicing?
yes, practice is important. I'm practicing drawing because I love drawing, and here is a post. Yes, practice is important, and I'm practicing drawing because I love drawing, and here is a poster related to.
That's really amazing, Dhanvi. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
And that must take a lot of efforts and hard work, I suppose. And And many times when we are working on a goal and things become difficult, we want to give up. Raise your hands if you have felt the same. Raise your hands if you have ever felt that working towards a goal has become difficult and we feel like we need to just give up on it. I felt that way. But we got to keep trying. So our students are going to tell us how we continue towards our goal and how do we continue to keep trying. Over to you, Jen, Yash.
Ma'am, it's Josh, not Yash.
Yes. I'm so sorry, Yash. Over to you, Josh and Jay. Give me a shout out if you are here.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Shall we begin?
Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna sing the second alanka. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni sa 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 ni.
Ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very own monster.
Josh,
Yes.
would you like to go again?
Yes. So hello everyone, and today I'm gonna sing the second alanka. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha dha ni sa 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 ni ni dha dha ga ga pa pa ma ma re re sa sa. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Josh.
Thank you, ma'am.
So for every goal that we set, we also have a plan to support it. Our student learned this activity through their art practice and through planning the drawing step by step. So now we have Jenny and Joel who will share about their experience. Give me a shout out, Joel and Jenny.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jenny Thakkar from 4B. My topic is human figure. Today, I'm going to show my human figure and tell some of the points about human figure. This is my human figure. And now I'm going to tell some points about human figure. First point is the brain is much more active at night than during the day. Second, human's mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. Third, human's teeth are just strong as shark teeth. Then fourth, human's nose can remember 50,000 scents. Fifth, it takes 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown. Then sixth, it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Seventh, your eyes are always the same size from birth, but your nose and ears never stop growing. Eighth, the brain itself cannot feel pain. Ninth, humans' left lungs is about 10% smaller than your right. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you for sharing not only your drawing but the facts with us as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Joel, give me a shout out.
I'm here, ma'am.
Yes. Would you like to go?
Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. There are many ways to draw, paint, and present the human figure. The best way to learn is to experiment with many different forms and develop our own skills. Through art, body forms, movements, and shapes, human figures can be studied. For example, a fashion designer designs different costumes with the help of a human figure. Hence, here I have used different shapes like cone, rectangle, square, heart, and many others to show you all. how a human figure may be crafted or drawn. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. That was an abundance of information. Thank you for sharing with us, all of us. So during the lockdown, a lot of us worked on our fitness goal, didn't we? Did we all work on our fitness goals? I did.
I did.
I did, ma'am. Ma'am, my stomach
have
was
any
too
fitness
much
goals.
Yes. So our students also took up a challenge to become fit and fab through their dance lessons. Kanish and Kian are here to show us how they have worked on becoming healthier through constantly challenging themselves and moving one step towards their goal. Kanish and Kian, give me a shout out.
These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my head. I move my eyes. I move my nose. I move my ears. I move my mouth. I move my neck. I move my shoulder. I move my stomach. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. These are the parts of my body from my head to my toes. I'm gonna move each body part and say it. Here we go. I move my arms. I move my elbows. I move my hands.
Thank you, Kanish. That was amazing performance.
Welcome, ma'am.
So the goal that we set are deeply influenced by our interests and our passion. I would now like to invite Mishka. And Mishka, can you tell us what is it that you are interested in and how are you working towards getting better at it? Over to you, Mishka.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am interested in
Mishka, if you are on from
Hello,
two
everyone.
devices, put it off. Put one off, okay? Disconnect the audio from one of the devices.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mishka. I am interested in art. I practice art daily after my classes. I do different forms of art like Wali art, Sora art, mandala, etc. I also practice different mediums like oil pastels, soft pastels, charcoals, and many others. I search paintings on the internet to improvise my work. Here are some of my paintings. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your paintings with us, Mishka. They were really good. We'd like to ask Neil. Neil, would you like to share your hobby and how do you practice it?
My hobby is origami, which means folding a paper without cuts and tapes and creating something beautiful. I practice it whenever I get free time. And I don't like to stay on one stage making one model. I like to move one step ahead and towards my goal. So this is a model that I made. And these days I am even designing my own models. Thank you.
Bravo, Neil. You are doing an amazing job. Thank you for sharing your creations with us. So now, ready, set, and goals. This has been a motto for our theme of grit, and I would like to now invite Nirvan and Pranshu to take us all on a musical journey of goal setting. Over to you, Pranshu and Nirvan.
I have a dream so bright. If I can see it, then I can be it. I have a plan, gonna get it right. I have my mindset. I know my next step.
Ready, set, goal.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, grow. Ready, set, glow. We are on a roll. Ready, set, goals.
Thank you so much, Pranshu and Nirvan. What a musical journey it was. Thank you for sharing. Give yourself credit for the days you have made it when you thought you could not. Appreciating small steps and little achievements is as important to the journey of perseverance as it is to stay gritty. I would now like to invite Prehan to tell us how small little drops of water make the mighty ocean and how small in the way as little steps make a big goal. Over to you, Prehan. Prehan, give us a shout out. I suppose he's not here right now. So when he joins, we are going to listen to the song that he'd sing for us. And now we move forward. And I would like to invite Saket and Reyansh to share the letters which they wrote to themselves on the steps which we all can take to celebrate our wins. Over to you, Saket and Reyansh. I think they are also having some trouble joining in. So we'll move forward, and when they join, we are going to listen to what they have to share with us. So the goal is a journey into the unknown of trying something new. This year, our young learners tried the art of choreographing for the first time, and it was a moment of pride for all of us and for them. I would like to invite Chevy to show us the steps which they have choreographed, and I'd also like to invite Yash to join her.
नहीं तीर तलवार नहीं बोली तू खुद है
Ma'am, the audience
पकड़ लैण दे धारों को जकड़ लैण दे जक लैण दे हो जक लैण दे आज बटे जक लैण दे हो जक लैण दे ओ जक लैण दे हाँ जक लैण दे ओ जक लैण दे सूरज को तक लैण दे हो जक लैण दे आज बटे जक लैण दे हो जक लैण दे
Thank you for sharing your dance moves with us, Chevy and Yash. It was really an enjoyable experience. And I'd like to ask Yash and Chevy that how did it feel when you choreographed these steps yourself? Over to you, Yash.
It felt kind of like when I did it, I felt kind of like productive and creative, and my brain was working much more.
And I can see the energy which you have utilized to dance.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for sharing.
Okay. Yeah, it's Shavi's turn to say.
Yes, Chevy.
Choreographing was a good experience because I've seen my friend choreograph a lot of times. I've also tried it sometimes, but I always messed up. So it was a good thing that I tried it for the first time and it went nice.
Wow. And it was an enjoyable experience for you as well, right? Super. Thank you for sharing, Chevy. Now, learning how to be gritty and continue to persevere towards our goals, come what may, is a journey. And each story of grit is different, and being self-aware, knowing ourselves is an important part of our journey. So I would like to invite Bhavya to share his visual representation of stories of self-awareness and grit.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Bhavya Metalia. Today I am going to present the story Thirsty Crow. There was a crow, which was very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere. At last he saw a water pot. He saw inside the pot there was very little water. There were some stones nearby. He picked up some stones and put them one by one in the pot. Water level in the pot rised and the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, Bhavya. And would you like to also share that how did it feel illustrating the story?
I felt very nice while illustrating the story, and I got to know how hard work do artists need to do.
Wow, that was an interesting input. Thank you for sharing that, Bhavya, and thank you for sharing the amazing drawing that you have made. So, tough times never last, but tough people do. We have all heard this proverb a lot of times. And we have seen the example of this every day since the pandemic. We have been role models to our children, and our children have been role models to us. So there is so much to learn from these young learners. And to close our showcase on that note, I would like to invite Aryahi to tell our audience about one thing which we can do to be more gritty. Over to you, Aryahi.
One thing we can do to be more gritty is to live every day with joy and happiness and to celebrate small achievements. Celebrating small achievements helps us feel confident and able to reach our goal. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing this, Arya. Thank you for the little piece of advice that you have given to all of us. I hope we are all able to follow it and be gritty and continue working towards our goal. Now, give yourself a big round of applause for the amazing work that you have done and the way you have presented today. We can all clap using the reaction button. I hope you all had a great and an amazing time, and we all had a great time, and congratulations to everyone for a lovely showcase that you have put up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listening to your reflections and hearing them from you, the way you have shared it, it was an enjoyable experience. And I hope everyone who has joined today has enjoyed it.